Okay, super quick one. A chap called Mike has just been in touch asking for a super huge knot to wear at the races with his three-piece suit. Now, I know exactly the knot that he's talking about. It's called the Balthus Knot, and I'm going to show you really quickly how to do it. It's a great knot to wear with a three-piece suit because, well, you'll see in a second, but it's a good one. Now, so we're going to start. Some people will start with the collar unfastened and then fasten it later. I don't. I start with it fastened. I hate to see a shirt collar unfastened when you're wearing a tie. That's one of my pet hates. Anyway, Balthus knot. So we're starting with the back of the tie facing forwards and the blade about fingertip length, maybe a bit shorter. This ends up with a really short blade, so you don't have to get it as long as normal. So we start wide end under narrow, and then pass the tip of the blade down the neck hole to the left, and then pass it to the right, up, down the neck hole to the right, pass it to the left, back down the neck hole, around the front, up the back, and down the front. Now, there we have it. Cinch up to the collar to tighten. Fold the collar down. Now, as you can see, it is a massive knot. It's a huge knot, but the price you pay for that massive knot is the shortness of the blade. So, what do we do about that? Well, this is why it's a great knot to wear with a three-piece suit, because when we pop this bad boy on, it covers the shortness of the blade. So that's why it looks good, because you end up with this chunky knot, nice wide blade at the front, but covering the fact that you've had a disproportionately short blade, which looks a bit silly. So that's your Balthus knot. Great knot for the races, great knot to wear with a three-piece suit. Also a really popular wedding knot with the young lads. Have a great day. I hope the weather's better for you at the races than it is here, because in Scotland it's absolutely tipping down. So have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.